In this video, we explain how to install the Welstove Pro on your hot tub. The stove frame is already mounted to the hot tub, and in the middle of it, you can see two hoses. Start by attaching the hose clamps to the hoses. Then lift the stove and secure it to the stove frame. Do this with 4 bolts. Then tighten these well with the supplied nuts so that the stove is securely attached to the frame. Next, tighten the hose clamps firmly. This is important because water will flow through them and you want to prevent leakage. Make sure the drain plug of the stove is properly tightened. The final step is to place the stovepipe and any accessories. For example, the rain cap, the spark arrestor, and the heat shield. The stove is installed, the hot tub can be filled, and the enjoyment can begin.